Hello, my name is Anthony from IT Brains Limited Company, and today I want to take you through the accounting module under Msacco system. And today I'm going to show you how to migrate opening balances office-wise. Okay, this one is very key, especially as a head accountant when you want to migrate opening balances for general ledger accounts for a particular branch or the entire organization. To make it easier for an organization wanting to move to Msacco to transfer general ledger accounts balances from the existing accounting application or manual system to Msacco accounting system, we require to use this feature here called Migrate Opening Balance office-wise. Now, one thing to note before embarking into this task is that you must ensure that opening balance are set before entering any journal entries in your accounting system. Okay, now the first step is that you go to main system configuration and make sure that you have enabled opening balance contra account. Here, office opening balance contra account, make sure that it is enabled. After enabling this, okay, the second step after making sure that you have enabled the opening balance transfer account, that you create you go to chart of account and create an opening balance transfer account. An account. Then equity type of account. Okay. Provide the general code. Then submit. After creating the opening balance transfer account, okay, after you make sure that you've created opening balance transfer account, go to account and link to financial activities. Here, then define new mapping. Select opening balance account and submit. Then after defining the mapping, okay, now you go to migrate opening balance. Okay, migrate opening balance office-wise. Select the desired office, select the currency, then search for data. Then on this chart here, you'll be required to fill in the debit balances and the credit balances corresponding to the general ledger code. Okay, after you have filled all these required gaps, you click on submit. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, one thing to note here is that no transaction should have been done before setting an opening balance contra account. This one must be set first before you begin to enter the journal entries for the organization. So I'm sure now, as a head accountant, you know how to migrate opening balances to your new system, which is Msacco system, from the existing systems, maybe manual system or an application that you're using for your accounting systems. Okay, this is the process that you will follow. I also want to show you how one can search for journal entries using Msacco system. In the accounting module, click on search journal entries, select the general ledger code, select the head office, select the system that you want is all manual entry or system entries. You select the type if you want, put in the dates, the range of dates between what range or period of time do you want to search, then click on search. Okay, that is how you can search. Let me just show you a workable example. Let's say from this period, then all the transactions that have occurred in that range will be able to appear on this chart. Okay, so you can click on any transaction and be able to view that particular transaction. You see it was created by Msacco on this particular date. You're able to see that this transaction was also reversed. The amount that was entered, every detail about the transaction will appear on this window. I also want to show you how you can make closing entries for journal entries made at the end of an accounting period. So click on closing entries here, select the office, say head office here, and then you submit. Or you can also create closure here, select the head office, the date, and then say you can comment and say submit. Then it will be able to submit, and then be able to view the accounting closure of that particular office, and no transaction will take place after this closure. Okay, I want also to show you how to add a journal entry. For you to add a journal entry, click on add journal entries here, select the office, select the currency. Okay, select the general ledger entries. Okay, say salary and wages here. Put the amount, say 20,000. Cash 20,000. Say the first number. Okay. Transaction date. It says 29. Because we had closed that account, so no transaction can take place after you close the transaction on this particular date. But this is the exact procedure that you can use to create a journal entry, or to add a journal entry for that matter.